All right. Uh,
Let me start.
okay.
You
All
start.
right.
I know.
What is this for? This is for the registration page, right?
Yeah, just a registration page telling them what the whole thing is about.
Okay. All
It's
right.
going to be a
So,
blooper now.
all right. Hey, junk journalers, we're so glad you're here. We want to invite you to be part of an amazing, amazing event that we are putting on. Monique, tell them about it.
Hey guys, I'm Monique. I'm from Misfit Crafter Studio. And we're really excited. We've actually been secretly holding this in for so long and it's been driving us crazy, but we want to go ahead and invite you to join us for our Art and Junk Journal retreat. It's a little bit different, um, similar to a summit, but not quite the same because we're going to give you so much more and the workshops and things are a little bit different. So we're basically going to have it for 4 days, 3 of those days dedicated to our free ticket, and one of those days dedicated for our Artisan Pass holders, which I'll talk about a little bit later. Um, but we're holding it from May 6th through the 9th with a kickoff call on the 5th. So make sure that you're here for that. You can get our full schedule on everything else and more information, of course, either right here on the page that you just landed on or head over to junkjournalsretreat.com. But basically, we are going to be having daily workshops released every morning at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Everything's going through Pacific time since we're both Californians now. And so every morning you're going to get a new workshop. But the cool thing is you're also going to get live lunch and learns for those 3 first days that we're going to get together and you just bring your lunch, your coffee, whatever, your snack, and we're going to get to make all these really awesome projects throughout that whole time. And if you caught us earlier when we made a junk journal cover and just showed you how to use the basics, well, guess what? That's exactly why we had you make that. Go ahead and bring that with you. If you have some unfinished junk journal projects or just want to learn about them, bring them along with you. Um, it's really great. All the workshops and all our presenters are fantastic. And we're going to deep dive into junk journaling, not just how to make a junk journal, not just making embellishments. We're going to do all that fun stuff too, but we're going to do some deep dives into just the art journaling world. Just finding yourself through journaling. There's so many topics. It's going to be fantastic. And then we're also doing, gosh, what else are we doing? We are doing on our opening. Don't miss our kickoff on the 5th at 4 p.m. Pacific. That's May 5th, because we're going to give you a little taste of some of those workshops with a little bonus workshop that day. And then every day, like I said, we're going to have our lunch and learns. We're going to have our workshops that you can access for 24 hours, starting 9 a.m. Pacific until the next morning, 9 a.m. when the new ones kick off. And then we have our Artisan Pass. You want to tell them about the Artisan Pass?
Yes. Our Artisan Pass is so awesome this year. If you have ever been to an event where they sold you an item similar to this, that's just a full bunch of resources that are just available for you to, let me start over. Oh my God. Yeah, the Artisan Pass, it's going to be an awesome bunch of resources with a value of over $2,000, super cheap price, and it is full of amazing, amazing projects and resources and printables and all sorts of things just to elevate your junk journaling. And it is also going to include a challenge, a 20-day challenge that's going to help you to put everything that you've learned inside of the retreat. You wanted to say something. It's going to help you put everything to practice that you learned at the retreat for the next few weeks after that. And you get to hang out with us. So If you are interested in those things, then you will want to make sure to get the Artisan Pass. It not only includes extended access to every single one of the workshops, it's also going to include a ton of bonuses, including that challenge. So you want to be there and get that.
Yeah, and that challenge is going to be like even the more fantastic part about the whole retreat, in my opinion. We wanted to make sure that this retreat was different from, summits a little bit, so that you get some real value and you really walk away actually learning things. But we wanted to make sure that you kept the momentum after that. So even if you don't get the Artisan Pass, be sure to check out the challenge after. We'll talk about that a little bit more later on, but jump on this. Believe me, it's different. I was so excited, and it's not one of those, I'm excited because it's mine and we're going to make, have people sign up. I'm excited because I want to jump in myself on all of these workshops and challenges, and I can't wait to like get started myself on everything. I can't believe what everybody is presenting.
I mean, we've been doing junk journals for quite a while now and connecting on that level and everything, but the people that we have involved are people that will teach, the basics of junk journaling, but also they're going to teach like other things that we haven't even tried yet, like
Mhm.
art journaling and, mindful art journaling, mindful drawing and all kinds of different things that are uh, not just simply the nuts and bolts of junk journaling, but they're actually extra things that you can do. So if you have ever heard of like a mixed media artist, we have a ton of those that are coming in and that are going to be teaching some amazing, amazing things um, that you may not know, even if you are a seasoned junk journaler. So um, whether you are brand new to junk journaling or you're seasoned, this event is going to be for you, whether or not you get the Artisan Pass, but we hope that you do because we really curated so many cool things for you guys. And we just wanted, like Monique was saying before, we just wanted to make sure that you guys got the best experience out of this that we could possibly provide. And so, yeah.
And I think the one thing I always forget to mention is that with the Artisan Pass, you actually get a full extra day for the retreat just for Artisan Pass holders.
Mhm.
So not only do you have the 6th, 7th, and 8th with your free ticket, so I mean, grab your free ticket, don't wait on it. This way, you don't forget. But your 3 days of workshops, lunch and learns, and then if you get an Artisan Pass, you get a full extra day of workshops. And these are live workshops that, yes, you'll be able to see um, um, the replays for those live workshops if you have an Artisan Pass, but you're going to get like replays of the lunch and learns. You get a full day just for you for an Artisan Pass. Not to mention like all the things that are getting thrown in. There's so many extra workshops. It's not just like there's some downloadables and papers and things like that, but you're getting like a ton of workshops. You're going to be busy for like a year or two at least doing all of these workshops and things that are included and everything. And then because you get the Artisan Pass, you also get a 20-day challenge. On top of that, that's a whole separate event. So you can get a ticket to a whole other event on top of that. That's a $25 value just for the ticket itself. So you're going to see us, you're going to get tired of us in May because we're going to be with you 5th till the 31st between the retreat, the Artisan Day, and the challenge. We're going to be with you all month.
Yeah.
And I think that's like some of the best things. And I mean, there's just I always lose words because I can't believe like everything that ended up coming together for this. It's going to be so
Yeah.
much fun. Like we didn't want to make this. I was telling Christy, we don't want to make this like a formal commercial or anything like that because it's different. It really is. Like I'm really excited. I'm so excited to get started on this. It's going to be so much fun. And then everybody gets to hang out together. Um, we are all going to get like it's all Zoom, so we don't have to worry about glitching anywhere.
Mm,
So it's going to be really
yes.
fun.
Yeah. So we will have a Facebook group, but everything, all of the videos will be in places that you'll be able to find them. We're going to have a daily schedule that will have the links every morning to the new videos. There's going to be an attendee hub where you can go. It's just a page that has like information of everything that you would want to even know, which would be like the schedules, any giveaways, any events, anything that you would want to know about how to get that Artisan Pass, all that stuff. And we just wanted to make it as easy as we could, as friction-free as we possibly could for you guys, so that you guys could just go get your tickets and enjoy. And yeah, that's what we're striving for.
Forgot about giveaways. Tons of
Yeah,
giveaways. There's
yeah.
some really good stuff in there too that I hope I win, but I don't get to win.
We can't,
We can't win.
we can't win those. But yeah, so the giveaways are going to be different than engagement prizes. We're going to have those too. Engagement prizes are if you go to the summit and you ask questions and you give comments and you post your pictures of all of the things that you make, and you participate in the Q&A threads or the Q&A live streams, those kinds of things. We're going to be watching. We're going to have our eyes on you. And we are going to be giving out engagement prizes. I'm not sure, every day. Is it every day?
Every day. I think at each one of our lunch and learns, and then
Yeah.
at
Okay.
our closing mingle. We call them mingles because we want everybody to kind of like, walk in and talk to each other and show us what you did, what you want, ask questions. It's really fun. And then we have the Q&As every day with our speakers too. Forgot about that. But yeah, every day you get to ask the speakers about the projects from that day. So try to make sure you watch all your projects ahead of time so all your speakers can, answer any questions that you have. But yeah, prizes are going to be for that. And then there's going to be a couple of special Artisan Pass holder prizes on the Artisan Pass day as well. It'll be fun.
And then there will also be actual giveaways that you can sign up for like free months in people's memberships, or
Yeah.
gift
Our
cards
presenters were
to some of the art. I know one of the artists, Etsy shop, just really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. And
all of
so,
our artists gave a lot. Like
yeah, they
they
really
were
did.
really generous. Like this retreat is generous, and it really is like a retreat. It's laid back but packed full of information and fun. We want you to relax and just have fun and be the artist that you want to be. So it's gonna
Yeah,
be awesome.
absolutely. Absolutely. So yeah, we're
Like
into
we keep
it.
forgetting all the extras. I'm like, oh yeah, there's that.
I know. There's a lot of extras, a lot of things, but we're always going to be around in the Facebook group for questions and all those good things, because Monique and I are very I don't know, maybe that's why we mesh really well, but we're like super accessible and hands-on and that kind of thing, and we're just super laid back.
Yeah. And we'll have a dedicated email address for everybody if they have questions or anything like that. So don't be afraid to ask. No question's a dumb question. Just go ahead and send us an email or put it in the group. But your best is definitely going to be an email so that way it stands out to us right away amongst all the other stuff that we get. Yeah.
Right.
So sign up because it's going to be fun and it's coming soon. We only got a couple weeks now, not even that.
Yeah, just a few weeks, and we can open the Facebook group a little bit early too, probably next week, so that people can come in and start, asking their questions or posting their stuff or chit-chatting with each other. And yeah, it's just going to be a great time.
Yeah, so either down below, go ahead and click the link, get your free pass or your free ticket. And then if you want to upgrade to the Artisan Pass, get it now. It's going to be your best price for sure.
Yeah.
Hands down, it's like what, 90, 9% off the total value, if
It's,
that.
yeah, it's something ridiculous, like
Something
so
crazy.
stupid, you know?
Um, and then if you're watching this from anywhere else, just head over to junkjournalretreat.com. You can sign up there.
Yeah,
But yeah, hope to see you guys
yeah,
soon.
yep,
Thanks for watching us.
yep. Bye.